Hello everyone. From today's session onwards, we are starting with Git. From previous sessions, we have completed Linux with shell scripting. Okay, what is meant by Git? Git is a distributed version control system. It is used to track changes in source code during software development. It helps developers collaborate efficiently, manage versions, and avoid conflicts. Basically, the Git is a distributed version control system. It is used for storing source code of your project. The key features. The key feature of Git are distributed. Like every developer has full access of your code and history, and fast and lightweight. Git is very quick in tracking and switching versions. Branching. Git it allows multiple features ideas to develop in parallel. Save. The changes are stored in commit history, so nothing is lost. And also Git is open source. It is free of cost. These are the key features of Git. Now I will showcase Git installation steps. First, need to install Git using mrepo. Install git -y. Then once you install Git, we need to verify what is the version of Git using git-version. Then once Git installation is completed, we need to do configuration of Git, like using git config. We need to set username. We need to set username and user email ID. Why we are doing configuring username and email ID means for tracking the changes, like which user tracked the changes. For getting such details, we need to configure it. Okay, after that we need to verify whether whatever the user we configure, that user is present in configuration list or not, using config hyphen list hyphen list. So now let's start for installation of Git in server. First, sudo yum install git -y. Git installation is completed. Git version. It shows what is the version of Git we installed. It is a version of Git 2.47.1. Okay. Now need to do Git configuration. Yeah, username and providing AA software technologies. Then need to provide Git username. We set a username, right? Need to set email now. Email AA software technologies at gmail.com is the email. We set username and password. Okay, post that we need to check whether whatever the username we configured that is present in git config list or not. Git config hyphen list. It is shown, right? The whatever the username we configure, it is present in git config list. That's about Git installation and Git configuration. Thanks for joining.